come here. Ricky, come here. What are you doing? Ricky. Ricky. Hello guys, so this is all the wood that we changed last yesterday. This was all the gemelina. See, this is all the lap. The size is, I don't know, 2 by 4. I don't know what is the size of that. So this is all, and I think Ricky, that's my dog, my crazy dog. Ew, he has something on his. Ew, he's showing his wiener. What the heck? Ricky, Ricky. So this is all gemelina, and here the other wood. We can just use this for scaffolding. This one and this one is all my clothes, guys. And this one, I think this is called it's 2 by 2. I don't know those for those. And this one, because this wood is not that strong, because we call it a santol. We use this for only scaffolding. This one, because this is not a strong wood. So and also this one is a nice, because this trace is big in the house of my brother. This is a santol fruit. Also that one. So we cannot use that for putting on the top. What we call this for? What we call that? Breeze. I don't know what you call that. Traces. I don't know. So we have to use that only for scaffolding. And this all my. See, look what my puppy did on the sand. He dig on. See, he dig it. See, this crazy dog. But this one we can use this for using for in the house. Yung parang gawin nating traces. Hindi ko alam anong pangalan yan. So traces, we can use this because this is a good. This is gemelina tree. This is nice. So we can use that, some of them, because on the top this is small, so we can use that. See, I told you, he kept digging. My gosh. Ricky, stop. Ricky, stop. When I say stop, he keep digging more. Ricky, stop. Ricky. Oh my gosh. So this one. So by next week, I think I'm gonna start already digging in the floor for starting the kitchen. Ricky, stop! No! Ricky, no! No! Stop! So guys, tapos na kami naghakot sa lumber na chincho. Sakit ng balikat guys. Ang tumulong kasi ako naghakot, nagputol ng mga, kasi may nahulog doon sa may sa may palayan. So hindi amin yung palayan. So kailangan namin hakutin doon yung ibang mga sanga. Hakutin namin kasi kapagalitan kami doon kasi malinis na yun eh. Tapos ready to plant na. Pwede na siyang taniman. So kailangan namin kunin doon sa may nahulog doon sa doon sa may ano palayan. Iakyat sa taas, nakakapagod, grabe, ang init pa naman. So tumulong ako, kasama ko yung mga pamangkin kong dalawa, maliliit. Yan din ako lang yung taga-buhat doon sa taas kasi nga ayaw kong umabak doon sa palayan kasi may linta. Hindi ako umabak doon, so ako sila yung doon taga-abot sa akin, tapos ako yung taga-hila sa taas. Ayaw, takot ako sa linta guys eh, kaya nakakapagod, ng sakit ng balikat ko, grabe. Kasi siyempre ano, bubuhat ng 2x2 at saka medyo malayo dito sa bahay, doon pa sa ano, tapos hindi pa patag yung daanan namin, ano pa, yung mataas. So kailangan talaga, nakakapagod, sakit sa paa, ang dami pang damo. So mahirap, pero natapos din. Doon medyo malayo. Yung isa kasi yung santol na ano, kahoy, doon lang medyo malapit lang, doon lang yung malapit sa bahay ng ano, doon lang sa may bakura ng sa ano ko, kapatid kong lalaki, doon lang medyo. At saka yung santol wood at saka Gemelina wood pala, magkaiba ang Gemelina, ang bigat. My gosh, ang bigat. Kasi matubig daw kasi, kaya yun yung Gemelina doon, yung medyo puti. Kaya yun ang hinakot namin sa amin na yung ako at saka yung mga pamangkin ko yung naghakot sa Gemelina kasi medyo malayo, at saka yung papa ko naman doon sa may santol, medyo malapit lang, at saka may iksi lang yun, may iksi lang siya, tapos magaan lang pala yun. Kaya yung nakakapagod pala guys, nakakapagod mag-work, nakakapagod din magpa-work.